Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. So this is a video for chapter 5 hydrocarbons. In this video, we're going to look on the mechanism for hydration of alkenes. This is example 1 for the mechanism for hydration of alkenes. Now let's take a look at the example 1 where we have over here our molecule is 2-methylpropene dan kita reactkan dia in acidified water. So, before we take a look at the mechanism, again macam biasa, apa yang kita akan buat, kita kena identify dulu dia punya product. Okay, now, to identify the product, okay, so kita akan fokus dekat kita punya carbon-carbon double bond dekat sini. And we have over here, okay, so kita ada dekat sini carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. So, apa yang kita akan tambah ke dalam carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, we're going to add hydrogen and also OH. Okay, which goes into which. Okay, jadi hydrogen nak pergi kepada carbon 1 ataupun carbon 2. OH nak pergi carbon 1 ataupun carbon 2. So, the rule that we need to follow is the Markovnikov rule. Okay, Markovnikov rule. Okay, yang mana as we know, as stated in the Markovnikov's rule, so hydrogen akan pergi kepada carbon yang lagi banyak hydrogen. Carbon with more hydrogen, which is carbon 1. So hydrogen will go to carbon 1 and OH will go to carbon 2. So kita akan dapatlah produk kita macam ni. And the name of the product over here is 2-methylpropanol. So once we have settled with the product, kita dah tahu hydrogen nak pergi ke carbon mana, barulah kita akan start dengan kita punya mechanism. So step 1, the formation of carbocation. So seperti yang kita tahu, pada step 1 untuk hydration of alkene, kita akan reactkan kita punya alkene dengan kita punya catalyst. Catalyst kita apa? H2O+, the acid over here. Okay, so as we can see over here, oxygen positive. So, kita tahu kita kena settlekan oksigen dahulu where the oxygen-hydrogen bond over here akan break. The 2 electrons will go from the bond towards oxygen. Okay. Untuk kita dapatkan water nanti sebagai kita punya produk dekat sini. So, once this oxygen-hydrogen bond has broken, so kita akan tengok pada kita punya carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, kenapa kita tengok dekat situ? Sebab bila bond dekat sini break, hydrogen akan jadi H+. It's an electrophile. So, siapa yang akan kejar kita punya electrophile? It's our nucleophile dekat sini. Our carbon-carbon double bond is a nucleophilic site yang mana dia ada banyak elektron. So, the electrons from the carbon-carbon double bond, it will attack the hydrogen, H+ tadi. So, dia akan attack dan dia akan form bond. Okay, so tadi kita kena tahulah dekat mana kita nak letak kita punya hydrogen. Is it at carbon 1 or at carbon 2? As discussed earlier, we're going to put the hydrogen according to the Markovnikov rule. Kita akan letak hydrogen dekat sini kepada carbon that has more hydrogen atoms, which is our carbon 1. Okay, jadi produk kita akan jadi macam ni lah. So, at the first carbon, okay, kita akan tambah hydrogen. And at the second carbon, once the bond over here, kita dah gunakan, so dia akan jadi positive. We're going to get our carbocation over here. And kita akan dapatkan kita punya water molecule. So, this is step 1. So, step 2 is the formation of the protonated alcohol yang mana kita akan ambil balik kita punya carbocation and at this step kita akan reactkan dengan water H2O molecule. So please remember, you need to show all the bonds in water over here and also the lone pairs over here. So as you can see clearly dekat sini, oxygen over here is the nucleophilic site, ada banyak lone pair dekat sini, and the carbocation is the electrophilic site, tak cukup elektron. Okay, this is our electrophile. So elektron daripada oksigen akan pergi serang kita punya carbocation. So we're going to show it by the curve arrow over here. Okay, daripada lone pair from the oxygen towards the carbocation. So as a result, apa yang kita akan dapat? So at this carbon, it's going to form a bond with the oxygen. Hidrogen dekat sini tak ada apa-apa perubahan yang berlaku. So kita salin balik. Cuma pada oxygen, dia dah gunakan satu lone pair dia untuk form bond with carbon. So what happened to oxygen? It will become positively charged. So this is our protonated alcohol. Now, moving on to step 3, which is the elimination of H+ from the protonated alcohol. So kita tengok dekat sini. Okay, this is our protonated alcohol just now. So we look over here, the oxygen is not happy. Okay, kenapa dia tak happy? It's positively charged. Cuma ada satu sahaja lone pair dan ada 3 bond dekat sini. So we need to make sure that our oxygen is happy. How? We're going to give a pair of electron to the oxygen. Macam mana? Kita akan breakkan the oxygen-hydrogen bond over here. So, for that, kita mesti ada kita punya another water molecule dekat sini. Fungsi dia apa? Okay, fungsi dia dekat sini. Once the oxygen-hydrogen bond is broken, okay, elektron dah diterima oleh oxygen, this hydrogen become positively charged. So, bila dia positively charged, mesti ada nucleophile yang kena ambil dia. So, what is the nucleophile? Our water molecule dekat sini. So, the lone pairs from the oxygen akan ambil kita punya hydrogen over here. So, to get our product over here, so oxygen yang dekat sini tadi, satu hydrogen dah remove, dah bagi dekat H2O. So, dia dapat baliklah dia punya lone pair. So, it is stable. So, this is our product alcohol. And at the same time, we regain back our hydronium ion. Catalyst yang kita gunakan masa daripada first step tadi. So, in exam, cara macam mana awak nak tulis jawapan awak untuk tunjukkan mechanism for hydration of alkene. Okay, macam inilah step 1, step 2 and step 3. Okay, so 3 different steps. So that's all for this video and thank you for listening.